CAD/CAM engineering technology at Sask Polytech is a very collaborative course. We learn about how to use computer softwares like AutoCAD, Inventor, and other softwares to make manufacturing drawings. On the CAM side of the education, we learn how to use CNC machining to produce machine parts and use lathe and plasma cutting and welding robots and these kind of manufacturing processes.
In a day-to-day setting, we tend to do a lot of theory, which involves engineering, stress analysis, design, drawings on the computer. But as well, we have some classes that are extremely hands-on, which is great. So we get to utilize all the machines, get to build stuff, design our own projects, kind of have free rein to do what we love. Our instructors are very hands-on and personal. They get to know your name. Smaller classes, they can focus more on your strengths and weaknesses and help you develop those skills.
Well, the awesome thing about the instructors in CAD/CAM engineering technology is that every single one of them have spent years in industry, specifically in the areas that they're teaching in. So they bring not only theoretical answers, but they also bring practical experience into the classroom and also a lot of anecdotal experience as well.
Over the years, we've evolved the program such that the last 5 weeks of their semester in second year becomes a project area. So they design and actually build their designs.
CAD/CAM engineering pretty much prepares each and every student to be ready from the first day of their job to work on hands-on machines rather than being trained for a couple of months or 3 months right in your 2x2 cubicles. So that's a good thing about Sask Polytech in this course, that we get exposure to so many practical knowledge. So that's why we are ready when we are stepping out of the college from the very first day.
Our students end up in a number of different areas. A lot of them end up in manufacturing with manufacturing automation. A lot of them end up as mechanical designers, designing parts and components and systems. And other ones end up as systems managers in engineering offices where they need somebody that understands the engineering as well as the computers.
If you are looking for a good manufacturing education, and if you want to excel your career in the field and you think that this is the way you want to go, this is the course you want to come and join. You have to experience the learning, the professors, the environment at Sask Polytech. You will be ready for your future.